What you mean by myself that well me a video what me I them father me see the haters a go. So
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you up.
guys, good morning. Good morning. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all are enjoying my previous vlog. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and watch it. It will be linked down below. Okay, go ahead and watch it, guys. Run up the views, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And yeah, so guys, as you see, I want to be doing some vlogs for y'all because y'all said you wanted vlogs, even though I don't be doing nothing at all. The vlog that you saw, the previous vlog, everything that I did in that vlog is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Probably something different is I am going to I'm feeling for plantain, green plantain to be exact. So I think I'm gonna get some and I'm gonna fry them. Yeah, but guys, don't even think I'm gonna go outside. No, I'm ordering it. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know what would have happened if there was no DoorDash, Uber Eats, or one of them apps, Instacart, Walmart delivery, because baby, it's cold outside. I'm not going out there if I don't have to. You feel me? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get up now and let's see where the day takes us. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hey girls, back to the YouTube. Yeah. The girl is back, better than ever. I'm funny. Yeah. Actually, I think I have a video to film today. I want to do the no mirror while doing my makeup challenge, but I don't have a lot of stuff, makeup stuff. I think I only have like a foundation, but I'm gonna do it regardless, okay? Because y'all need videos to watch, right? So I think I'm gonna do that today, and if I'm feeling it, if I don't do it today, I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow. We'll see, because I still have some studying to do, guys, as you can see from the previous video. By the way, today is Tuesday. Yes, so still got some studying to do for my test tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And guys, let's just see where the day takes us. I'm not gonna bring y'all through my morning routine in this vlog because y'all already have it in the previous vlog. Nothing's changed, it's the same thing. So yeah, I'll see you after my morning routine. I'm buy that no I can buy girl clothes. Yeah, it's Chanel Muir. Me a video what me I them father. Me see the haters a go. Please guys, me Jehovah, Father protect his soul. You can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Me heart too clean. I know how to take it. Oh, my son needs to time roll on. I'm a little look a little guys, but ignore that, right? So right now I'm about to put this wig on. Guys, a long time I've done here. A long time. Was this my first wig? I don't remember. No, I don't think so. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to install that right now because I want to do the video, because if I don't do it right now, now do again. So yeah, prepare. Just yeah.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra? All this time she standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the bathroom, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the bathroom, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging.
Hey guys, so this is the finishing product.
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off.
Yeah, angle. So guys, I really do much to it. As you can see here, so both of because of the two braids. But not really what that do. Right now, I'm going to hold on. So right now, I'm going to set up to film the video, the no mirror makeup, no mirror makeup, no mirror makeup. Get my light. You know, the light that's on now right now. But I'm going to be doing the no makeup, no mirror makeup challenge. Why was that so hard to say, bro? Anyways, I'm gonna set up for that. Hopefully once I'm finished, then the food get delivered, the items get delivered, then I'll cook, show you guys. And I really know big chef things, as I say, I look planting. I don't know, I just feel planting and spam. So that's what I'm gonna be eating today. For lunch, brunch, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah. So catch y'all after I finish filming this video. So guys, I just finished filming the no mirror makeup challenge, and let's just say your girl angle that angle. I was thinking that I was gonna show y'all, but then I was like, I'm gonna post this video before that video, so it's gonna be a spoiler and I don't want to spoil it for y'all. Listen, when you see it, make sure you share it, okay? Share it out. But guys, I'm telling y'all, I angled. It was fabulous. The angle, you're crazy. Guys, when I see that video, y'all are going to want to book an appointment with me. Listen, I'm coming through with the makeup, the hair, everything. Angle, yeah, you're crazy. I loves that for me. Loves it. Anyways, guys, make sure you tune in next week for that video, okay? All right, guys. I'm about to tell you in advance. All right, okay. So guys, I got a notification that the guy checked out like 14 minutes ago. Oh, here, your Instacart order is on the way. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna wait for it, and once I get here, I'll give you all an update. Guys, I have some garbage to go throw out, and I'm also gonna take the dog outside. So yeah, Marley, come. Actually, let me see. So guys, I'm going to give you a haul of everything that I bought. Big batty. Sour cream ruffles. Cranberry juice. The spam. I got some grape juice and some apple juice. So don't touch them. And the plantains. Yay. Okay. So let's see how this goes, because I'm gonna try to make the plantains and the spam. Okay? Not try, I'm going to. And I'm gonna have some of this right now, okay?
Sometimes you go too far, and I won't want you with me. Real things are not too easy. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with action. We could find a place to relax. Cool down, cool down, easy. Cool down, cool down, love. Cool down, cool down, easy. Cool down, cool down, love. Cool down, see your
Guys, dinner is served. You know dinner, lunch. My sister called me a big bag, talking about big bag, big bag. This is nothing to be a big bag, like 3 little piece of plantain and 2 little piece of spam. Chop. I don't know, I've been craving something plantains, like couldn't make the baby market crazy. Now we're trying to show last night, right? And it's called Taken. It's a Taken it called? Or no, found. I think so.
Feelings, like say you forgot to know you're dealing. Man, I feel like when I'm at work non-stop. You look good more than I when I come back. Sometimes you dare come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, me not come back.
Guys, the movie name Found. It's a series. I don't know if it's on Netflix. I don't think it's on Netflix. But why the lady said this is something I'll explain this because I'm not gonna open it up. So let me try to explain this. So when she was younger, she got taken by this guy. The guy was her teacher and someone she trusted. Told her to come. He's gonna bring her to a place like where them have some books written by famous authors or whatever. Cause she likes to read and stuff like that. When him carry the pitney go today, them not get back the pitney. So anyways, the man pitney there for over much years. Then he kidnapped somebody else because he realized that the girl was the one. When he came back kidnap our next girl now, the lady, them decided them go run because time now, yeah. Them run with them get safe. Now they fast forward to when they're older. They're now running this place called M&A where me I talk about the movie, but yeah, where them find missing people where the police them don't want to look for, or people go to them for find people. No, there's this guy who work with the police. He and the lady where they get kidnapped when M&A now. I want to say their relationship is complicated, but they had a moment, and I thought that they were going to be together. But the lady that got kidnapped, she actually kidnapped the guy that kidnapped her. Yeah, kept him in her basement. And fast forward to season 2, I think, or was it the end of season 1? They found because only 2 persons she and somebody else who she worked with didn't know about it. Fast forward, everybody find out when him escape. Now them finally say she was keeping him in the basement and everything. So now that mashed up the relationship with her and the police guy. So now the police guy in a relationship with a lawyer. Oh my god, not relationship. They had a thing. But the lawyer really like him. I don't trust that lawyer though. I don't trust her. Something's not right. But yeah, the guy and the lawyer, they and the guy, the kidnapper brother, end up shot the lawyer. Forget to the guy, forget to the woman. I don't understand. Forget to the guy, forget to the lady when they kidnap, because it's all about her, right? And the lawyer know after she gets shot and the lady got it, the lady try to explain to him, say the reason why she gets shot was because he's trying to get to him, to get to her. Then the woman I go say, oh, so you're the one who broke his heart. Don't worry, I'll take care of him now. What you mean by I say what I will? But anyways, it's a good movie, guys. It's a really good movie. Like I need to watch it. Like I just finished. No, I don't think season 2 is finished yet. But season 2, episode 11. Yeah, last night. It's a really good movie, guys. Get into it. Okay, get into it. I don't know where you can watch it though. I have an app called Lexivanta. I'll put it on the screen. Lexivanta, I think it's called. It doesn't work with iPhones and it doesn't work in Jamaica. Yeah, we've tried. So I don't know how we're gonna get that app. Yeah, it's a really good movie. I need to do a movie. My favorite movies are movies that I like to watch, TV shows that I like to watch. Update, because I did one already. I think I need to update it and do another one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. Comment down below and let me know if you would like to see that video, because a lot of people always message me asking me for movies to watch, so it's probably a good idea to do that video. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll come back to y'all, guys. But just I remember one time in a primary school where school over and me and my friend them I go home and we have things to do. And for some reason, my stone reaching a somebody head back. Poof. Boy, run down, boy, run down for me and choke me so. I couldn't do nothing because I did it wrong. So now I walk go back up on my auntie. Me a ball. And she say, how are you? I'm not even the ball for the choke and put me a ball because I bus. What to do? So she said, what do you? Who trouble you? Make a good on my school. No. And me, I know me not my mother say nothing. So my auntie reached down there now. The people them about 20 bag and about not 20, about 5 toilet paper, roll it out and put on the boy head. And my auntie could do nothing but help. Me said, Jesus and peace. That day was a day. Why am I stone? That is crazy. That guy, he died. He died. May his soul rest in peace. But me just think I remember that day, bro. Like I said, they say enough to follow, you know. No follow. Jesus Christ, don't follow. Do your own thing, brother. If I mean, if I follow fling stone, that wouldn't happen, you know. That wouldn't happen. Oh, guys, I know this stone. That's not what, you know. That's not what. That's not what made him die. You feel me? But yeah, it was years and years later he died. Like recently, not recently, but recently. Yeah. And the one thing, bro, be a leader, not a follower. Understand? Because why were we even throwing stones? Oh my God. Why were we even throwing stones in the first place? It doesn't make sense, bro. Guys, I'm full. But Marley wants to go outside because he just ate, so I'm gonna take him out.
There's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la la la. There's a bun in the ring, sha la 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 la. Once in the morning, my car get my buy honey and tomato and garlic. Two pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish, I'm at the coming in my house.
So guys, y'all remember this from the previous vlog. Everybody try it now. Taste this. You can see what I go on for this. I'm gonna pull out the coconut in the middle. Or is it just vanilla? Let's see. This is what it's looking like. It's the exact same. I don't know what I expected it to taste like, but it's the same thing, like coconut in the middle and everything.
High volume.
Am I really there?